Hi, good day. My name is Jasper Nico M. Dagsindal and I'm from ICST department and my section is 181 of Colegio de San Juan de Letran de Calamba and I'm here to teach you how to do the layer mask in Micromedia Flash 8 and this is the example of a layer mask that I will teach you to do the layer mask. First, let's let's open a new document. Let's choose your pictures that you want. Now let's name it as a picture. Then let's insert a new layer and name it a layer mask. In first frame, let's create a shape option star with 8 sides. Put anywhere where do you want it. Make it more to make it beautiful or nice. Now first, let's click this, then press V. Then let's copy. In frame 35, just press right click, then insert a blank keyframe. Then in the picture, right click and insert keyframe. Then paste here the star. Then move anywhere. And then let's put here a create motion twin. If you see, when I press enter, this is what will happen. Now we will use the layer mask. Just right click this layer mask, then click the mask. Then when you press Control Enter, this will what happen. Now this is how to do the layer mask. Thank you.